A few days ago, these showed up on the front porch. My wife was like, "What the bleep is that?" And I told her they were rear wheel well liners for my truck. She didn't quite understand. I said, "Go take a look at the truck out in the garage." And so when she did, she understood immediately what they were for. So we're going to go ahead and get these installed, so stick around. Thanks for sticking around. So I ordered these wheel well liners from Rough Country. Man, I'm not so sure about the way they came shipped. They're not damaged, but they're a pretty durable product. They're just basically zip tied together on the ends, and in between them is a packet of some sort of hardware. I imagine it's plugs to help pop these into place and hold them in place. The worst part of this, I think, is going to be the longest part of the installation, is removing that UPS decal. Man, that thing is really, really on there. So I think the first thing we're going to have to do is, well, you don't have to, but knowing me, it's going to happen. I've got to clean these out. So I'm just going to basically squirt some cleaner in there and use a couple of old rags and just wipe that down and get the majority of the dirt out of those wheel wells. Yeah, attached to one of the liners, it's a bag. It's just stuck on there. It's got instructions and some little pin plug things. And here's the good instruction sheet. It's very simple, very clear, easy to understand. And here's a look at the little push pins. They just pop right into place and grab. Very simple. Okay, so it's just popped in there loose right now, but it looks like a pretty good fit. All of the little the holes line up for the pin plugs. My only real gripe is it could have a little bit better fit down here. So like I said, it's in loose, and it was a little bit little tough getting that tucked in behind there, and also the rear tucked in behind. So, but overall it's a pretty good fit. We're just gonna pop in the plugs. There's 7 of these pin plugs for each side. There's 1, 2, then there's 3 across here, and another 2 right there. It's pretty simple. Just line up the holes, pop in the plug, and we'll do that all the way around, and then it's finished. There's how it looks with all the push pin things in. I like it. What do you guys think? Hit me up in the comments. So we just need to put the other side on. And and if you like those drop Step Nerf bars, be sure and check out my other video. It was a pretty simple installation, and the bars look really great, and I'm really pleased with them. So on to the other side. Okay, so the passenger side went in a little easier, probably because I learned on the first one. So anyway, you can see all the holes, they line up like they should. Once again, you need to manhandle these ends to get them tucked in on each side. But yeah, pretty simple to get in. Just need to put the pins in, then we'll pull it outside and get a better look. So there's a better overall view. I like it, much improved. Yeah, so much better. I like it. So rear wheel well liners by Rough Country. They were about $100. They're vehicle specific. These fit really, really good. The shipping was, well, you saw the shipping. Comes without any box, just kind of shipped. The sticker wasn't too bad to remove with the heat gun after all. Just took a moment. But overall, I like the product. I'm pleased with it. The fit was really good. So I hope you like this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Hit me up with some comments. And push that subscribe button. This is Okie Twister 66 signing off. Until next time, be safe and have fun.